Hello everybody, Digital Marketing Punk here. Just a quick video about a new cool tool that I found the other day. Now you might have already heard of it, but the point is this is ideal for those people that are not in the marketing industry, who just have a business, a small business, and they have a website and they want to know how it's doing organically on Google. Now, they're called rank checking tools, okay? There's loads of them out there. There's Moz, there's SEMrush, there's SE Ranking, there's loads of different ones, okay? And the problem with them all is that you can get trials and stuff like that. That's brilliant. But they are super expensive. Even if you just want to track one site, if you're spending 20, 30, 40, sometimes £50 a month just to track your website, you got to ask yourself whether it's actually worth it. So I found this cool tool, and the great thing is it's really easy, it's absolutely free, and it's really accessible. There is one downside, but I'll get to that in a second. Okay, what you need to do, if you just want to be able to quickly find out where your website is ranking on Google at any one point, then I want you to check out this tool. Go to ranktank.com, which is this website here, okay? Now, it all looks very simple and plain and easy, and you may be thinking looks a bit hacky, but I can assure you it's not. What I want to do is go on to Use Tools here and Free Keyword Position Tool. And what this will take you to is a page which is very, very cool. You can scroll down and you can ignore all this stuff and it'll go how to get this tool. Now, if you have a Google account, then fine, you're all hunky-dory. If you don't get one, you can use your personal email address, just sign up and get a Google account. This is so you can get access to one Google Drive and the Google Docs sort of platform, because for this, you'll need something called Google Sheets, which is Google's version of Microsoft Excel, if you don't already know. What you're going to do is open in Google Sheets, and what it'll ask you to make a copy of an existing Google Sheet, because that's how they sort of share things out on the web. You make a copy of someone else's. So make a copy of it and put it onto yours, and you can call it whatever you want. And you'll get something that looks a little bit like this. Now, I've taken off all the branding and advertisements that are on here. That was the one annoying factor, that it was full of sort of Twitter profiles and all that stuff. So I've taken all that off. And what you're going to do, here you can see your domain. You're going to put your domain in there. Now, you can see I've put digitalmarketingpunk.co.uk in there. SEMrush question mark. Don't worry about that. What that's asking you for is if you've got an API key. You're going to need to pay for that. So don't worry. It's not essential whatsoever. It's going to ask you your reason. It's got loads of options when it comes down. If you're in the UK, you need to select UK. If you're in the States, you select States. If you're in Canada, select Canada. I'm not going to go through the whole list, but I'm in the UK, so I'm going to click UK. Language, well, it's English. And if it's not, pick another language. Okay, so this is the exciting bit. Here, where you can see I've put all of my little keywords, it'll either be blank or it's going to have a set of sort of default ones. That's all fine. You're going to put your ones in here. You can see I've put Digital Marketing Punk in here, Digital Marketing Speaker, Digital Marketing Punk Podcast, which you can still get on Google Podcasts and Apple Podcasts if you are interested. Plug. Digital marketing consulting, SEO. Okay, I've put in a load of key phrases which are related to my business. If you sell shoes, you can put in shoes. If you sell red trainers, you can put in red trainers. Why are all my keywords related to shoes? I do not know, but you can put in whatever relates to your business. What it will then do, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a new one in so you can sort of see the magic happen. So down here, and I'm going to put in one that I've already done, just so you can see it happen. You may think I'm cheating here, but I'm actually not. So I'm going to put in Digital Marketing Punk because I know I ranked 1 for it and I'm happy. So what's going to happen? It's going to do this and it's going to go, right, I'm crawling, and there we go. Automatically, within a Google Sheet, you can find out your rank instantaneously. You can see I'm rank 1. That's the URL that I'm ranking for. Who's above me? Well, no one, because I'm ranked number 1. What's below me? Well, that's my Facebook page. Okay, and you can get all this cool, amazing information. If you're not ranking number 1, you can even see who is ranking number 1. You can see there, SEO trainer, Mark Preston, who I know on LinkedIn is actually on there. Very well done, Mark Preston. Congratulations. So really cool and quick and easy tool to find out your rankings. The great thing about this is you don't have to keep doing this every time. You can leave it there and you can save it to your own Google Drive. You can open it up at any point. I've even tried this on my phone on the Google Sheets app, and it's not so good if you're kind of using the Google Drive version and you don't have Google Sheets. Make sure you have the Google Sheets app, otherwise it won't work. But if you try it through the Google Sheets app, load it up, you can even use it there and it will update. It will do all the weird programming stuff in the background, which is really, really cool. The one downside, I did say there was one downside. The one downside that I will say about this is that it will not track your ranking day by day. So you won't be able to get that history so much. But what you can do, if you wanted to, you could take a note of all these, put them into a different sheet. You can add a different sheet down here. You can put those, you can copy and paste that and put that into a sheet, and then you can have that little tracker. Even if you wanted to, you could create graphs from that and things like that, so you have a day-by-day tracking of your rankings. It's really quick, it's free, which gets a big plus from me, and it's that really quick and easy, simple way of able to track your rankings. So if you want to find out and go and get it, you can do. Go over to ranktank.org and /keyword position checker tool. You can go that. I'll put that in the comment, don't worry. But go and check it out and have a play with it. I think it's really cool and sweet and cute because it's so simple and easy. It's on Google Sheets, which everyone has access to. It's great. Go and check it out if you haven't already done so. Thank you very much.